What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So first and foremost, the truck is looking absolutely fancy, but I won't hit you guys with the montage just yet. We will cue the montage later in today's video. But in today's video, we're gonna be talking about my 5 essentials for a sporadic camping trip. Okay, so something that I thought I was ready for, I was not quite ready for at all. So in one of my last videos, I said me and Sandy were gonna go camping. And well, a lot of people reached out to me and made me realize how not prepared I was actually. I've gotten a little bit more prepared. I'll show you some things that I'm going to be carrying around. And I need you to comment down below because I've already reserved my camping spot for this weekend. So we're going to go camping this weekend. So I'm super excited, but I mean, you guys know who I am. You guys know I'm going to mess it up. And I'm going to forget something, but if you remind me, I probably won't. But first, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're on the road to 1 million subscribers, boys, and you guys are absolutely killing the game. We're at 4,090 subscribers. When I first started this whole million thing, we were at like 3,800, so you guys are making some progress. So first and foremost, I've never gone camping. I've never done this in my entire life. This is gonna be my first time ever. And well, let me say something. I'm going to be fixing things as I need. So if there's something wrong, I'll find out this weekend and I'll adjust from there. But first and foremost, you need to have somewhere to sleep. This is no ordinary black bag at all. This includes an air mattress. So this whole set cost me like $25 on Amazon. I'll try to link it. If I can't link it, then I'm sorry, but they're all over the place. I would set this up right now, but we're in the middle of moving some stuff around, so I can't. But pretty much what happens is you inflate this bottom piece, right? This bottom piece inflates. You put it right through here, right in this little crack. Watch it. My mom watches this channel. Then you grab this second piece, and it's an actual full-blown mattress. If you're interested in seeing how this setup goes, I'm sure you've already seen it, but if you're interested, stay tuned because my video probably Monday or Wednesday will be that camping video, and I will use this. And is it the most comfortable thing? To be determined. Number 2 is water. I have found that mostly every trip that I go on, I need water. Not water to drink, but water to use to either wash off my feet, wash off my hands, whatever the case may be, and I always ran out. So I usually would carry like 1 gallon of water and call it a day. So what we usually did was let Sandy start off with the water. She would use the whole thing and then I'd be screwed and I'd need to use my own drinking water. But now, okay, now we're talking because I have 6 gallons of good old H2O. So check this out. And let me tell you guys, I thought this was the most genius idea I've ever had, but I hate it. And this is where you come in. There's a little thing called weight distribution, and having the weight in the very middle does not make this practical. So I'm thinking about getting that decked bed system so I can pull things in and out. This thing is rather large. Even if I had that, I don't know if that'll fit inside, but nonetheless, this is the water jug. I need to put this where I can record myself just in case I need to show this to my insurance company. I literally feel like my forearm is gonna snap. Oh God. Okay. All right, there we go. All right. Work smarter, not harder. So this right here, 6 gallons of that good H2O. So you unscrew this, you unscrew that, take it out. I don't know why I tightened this so much. Put it the other way. Alrighty, and then you screw it back on. I am doing this one-handed, so if this falls, something breaks, my GoFundMe will be linked in the description. Bada boom, bada bing. So now we're looking absolutely snazzy. So all you do, and guys, you have running water. This to me is the sickest thing ever. 6 gallons. The other day when I first bought it, I rinsed it out, I washed it, and I filled it up completely. I let it start running, and I got bored from how long it was actually. This is way better than a gallon. It's gonna do me good. I'm super excited. So now we have water. This is a must-have at all times, no matter what. I would like to have this a little bit easier to access just because having to step on the tailgate, get it out of the bucket, bring it down, roll it over, it's a little bit much. Oh God. So that's number 2, water. It's just a must. You need it. You never know what you'll need it for, but you will end up needing it. Water's covered, a place to sleep is covered. Now it's time for a tent, number 3. Now, being that it's me and Sandy, we don't need much of a tent just because the place that I'm going to is a beach. So we have 2 types of tents. This one is a little bit more extensive and I won't build it in today's video, but if you are interested, stay tuned for that camping video. This one, okay, this one is a little bit easier to build. Oh, bada boom, bada bing. This one is all the way set up. They do have bathrooms, they have changing rooms, but if they didn't, well then we have one for Sandy. Now, you can change inside the truck, but usually when we go camping, there's either a river, there's a lake, there's an ocean. And I don't want ocean, river, or lake water inside the truck. So this way, we have water to rinse off, and we can change in here in the privacy of our own little change room, which is super, super sick. I definitely recommend this. This one right here, that bad boy is pretty sweet. It fits 2 people. And it's works great for me and Sandy. Again, it's only me and Sandy that ever go camping, ever go out and do these type of things. So for us, it's more than enough space. You ever do something and really regret it just to show off? Now I have to take this dang thing down. And let me tell you, I'm not a pro at it yet, okay? So I don't know how this is about to go. Oh, yeah. I got it now. I got it now, boys. Bada boom, bada bing. I really like how compact these are because I can just throw them in here and not have to worry about them. So moving on to number 4. Number 4, I think you should have in your truck at all times, just because you never know what is going to go on. When you go on these trails, a lot of the time you do have to do a little bit of off-roading. For this spot that I'm going to, it's right off of the highway. Other trails, other camping spots that I'm going to be going to in the future, you do have to off-road quite a bit. So you need to have your tools on you and make sure you cover all your bases. The one thing that these camping spots do not have is lights at night. So it's completely pitch dark. All you're doing is walking around with your cell phone trying to light things up. It's not going to work. So I bought this flashlight from Harbor Freight like 2 or 3 years ago, and it's still an absolute beast. That was a fail. I tried to show you guys how bright it is in the daytime. That's not going to show you anything. I mean, it doesn't look real bright, but it's bright, I promise you. I'm also going to go pick up like 2 or 3 more of these. I also recommend a knife, not just your regular box knife. Again, I kid you guys not, I just bought another knife. Thankfully, I have like 1 million of these, so they were $1 for like 5 of them. At least I had this. Worst comes to worst, I won't be cutting something with my nails. You may be needing to cut rope, you may be needing to cut up some food. Whatever it is that you're doing, you want to have a good outdoorsy type of knife. I also got a multi-tool. It happens to match the truck. This multi-tool actually isn't very multi, it's kind of dull. It comes with its pliers, it has this little screwdrivers, knife, flatheads, nothing too extreme. Now there's some that are pretty sick, but nonetheless, this one helps in a pinch. Of course, I have my jack. I have some patches for the tire in case we get a flat. You guys already know I got 3 different boxes of tools that are absolutely useless until you need them. And number 5. Number 5 is where you come in, the subscriber, the commenter, the lover of the channel. I'll hold back on that last one. But in all seriousness, what am I missing? What do I need to add? The man, the myth, the legend, Ramaron reached out and pointed out some stuff that I actually need. Why is this bee attacking me? Bug spray was the first one that I'm like, oh my gosh, how did I forget? Out here in Virginia, the mosquitoes are no joke. They suck. Number 2, toilet paper. You never know. If you gotta go, you gotta go. I was thinking entertainment, some type of entertainment, but I don't really need entertainment since we're gonna be at the beach. But let me know down below in the comment section, what am I missing? Obviously food, but I'm not gonna pack a cooler out here just for a video to show you guys that I'm packing food. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with all that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.